The moon, our silent guardian, weaver of myths, master of tides. But what if this constant companion in one terrifying flash suddenly exploded? Imagine the shockwaves, a shattered sky, and a world irrevocably torn. And let's find the answer to the question, what if the immediate aftermath of the moon's explosion would be a cataclysmic moment? A blinding cosmic flash, brighter than 1,000 suns, would momentarily eclipse our own. A supernova witnessed across the solar system. Within hours, a relentless debris storm would commence, as billions of tons of lunar shrapnel rained down, superheating Earth's atmosphere. This would ignite global wildfires, unleash devastating seismic shocks, and trigger colossal tsunamis from oceanic impacts. Simultaneously, immense quantities of dust and rock would be hurled into the atmosphere, plunging the planet into a suffocating perpetual twilight. The drastic reduction in sunlight would rapidly initiate a lunar winter, making immediate survival profoundly challenging as temperatures plummeted worldwide. With the moon gone, Earth's powerful tides, driven by lunar gravity, would instantly vanish, leaving our oceans eerily silent and static. The familiar ebb and flow, which has shaped coastlines and sustained countless marine ecosystems for millennia, would simply cease to exist. Critical coastal habitats like tidal pools, estuaries, and vast intertidal zones, vital nurseries and feeding grounds for a myriad of marine life, would rapidly dry up or become stagnant. Species relying on these precise tidal cycles for reproduction, foraging, or migration would face immediate and catastrophic extinction pressures. Furthermore, the long-term absence of these lunar tidal forces would profoundly alter deep ocean currents. These currents, crucial regulators of global climate, would shift unpredictably, leading to widespread climate disruption, altered heat distribution, and increasingly erratic weather patterns across the globe. Beyond the immediate chaos, the moon's explosion would profoundly destabilize Earth's very orientation in space. Our familiar lunar companion acts as a crucial gravitational gyroscope, maintaining Earth's axial tilt at a steady 23.5 degrees, the very reason we experience consistent seasons. Without this stabilizing anchor, our planet would slowly begin to wobble. Over millennia, Earth's tilt would fluctuate wildly, leading to unimaginable climate extremes. Picture ice ages giving way to scorching deserts as different regions receive drastically varying amounts of solar radiation. The predictable rhythms of day and night, seasons and year length, once governed by celestial mechanics, would become erratic and unreliable. Humanity would be forced to completely redefine its understanding of time, calendars, and even fundamental navigation, adapting to a perpetually shifting cosmic clock. This isn't just about losing the tides, it's about Earth itself drifting unsteadily in the cosmic ocean. The sky would undergo the most dramatic transformation. The moon's scattered remnants would coalesce into a spectacular yet menacing ring system around Earth, far grander and brighter than Saturn's. This cosmic crown would permanently alter both our night and day skies, a breathtaking constant monument to our profound loss. However, this magnificent spectacle wouldn't be benign. These rings would be inherently unstable. Smaller fragments would continuously drift into our atmosphere, igniting an unending, blinding display of meteors. This would be a beautiful yet persistent reminder of the disaster, and a harrowing constant threat of larger impacts. For survivors, familiar constellations would be obscured, necessitating a complete relearning of celestial navigation and deeply impacting humanity's cultural ties to the heavens. The catastrophic events would usher in a new human reality, initially defined by an unprecedented ecological Armageddon. The immediate impacts, the prolonged lunar winter, and the subsequent environmental chaos would decimate ecosystems, leading to widespread mass extinctions and devastating crop failures, triggering a desperate global struggle for dwindling essential resources. Beyond physical survival, humanity would face profound psychological trauma. The abrupt loss of the moon, our eternal symbol of constancy and beauty, would create a deep cultural and spiritual void, reshaping art, mythology, and our very cosmic perspective. This new world would demand a desperate quest for adaptation. Any surviving civilizations must fundamentally redesign their societies, technologies, and even their understanding of normal, constantly vigilant against celestial threats, while striving to restore ecological balance amidst a planet irrevocably altered by its vanished companion. The moon's explosion is a cosmic catastrophe, fundamentally altering Earth's environment and human existence. In your opinion, what if the moon suddenly exploded? Share your thoughts in the comments.